Yeah, when you get through this gate, turn towards you. You want to turn towards you. You want to go really wide. Nice and slow. This is where that really get your front tire. You want your front tire all the way out here. So back straight up. Keep going. Nope, straight. Just straight back. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, turn other way. Other way. Other way. Other way. Back up. Keep going. Okay, turn towards me. Towards me. Yep, go forward. Keep going. Keep going. Towards me. Alright, now turn the other way. And real slow, go forward. Yep, perfect. Okay, that slid your back end around. Stay, get your front tires all the way out here. There you go. Okay, turn that way. Nice and slow and easy. Keep going. Yep, back up just a little. Okay, stop. Get your front tires all the way this way. Okay, turn that way. Okay, back up. Oh, easy on that reverse. Turn towards me. Keep coming forward. Keep coming. Okay, now turn that way. Yeah, reverse is hard. You hit it too hard. Okay, back up. Turn the other way. Back up. Nope. Nice and slow. Okay, stop right there. Come down here. Stop right there. Come down here to the other end. Down here. Because you can line it up better. Line that front tire right in the center of that cable. Nice and slow. Easy, easy. This is where you have to have nice trigger control. Nice and easy. Nope. Turn towards the cable. Yep. It's hard, ain't it? Now nice and slow. Like barely pull that trigger. You want it to creep. Easy, 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 easy. Slow. Now drive your front tire to right here. Keep going straight. Okay, now turn. That way your back end don't fall off. There you go. Good job. Just let your drag brake work. Good job. All right. Look where your next gate is. Do you see it? Okay. Nope. Keep going, it'll slide around. There you go. Look where your next gate is. As soon as you go through one gate, you need to stop and look, see where your next gate is, okay? Like right here, stop. Look where your next gate is. You got one in the water and one up there. So go up there till you're almost, nope, stay close to this. Yep, stay real close to this. Keep going. Keep going, it'll grab. Keep going. There you go. Stay high. There you go. Okay, go up that rock. Yep. Let them tires work. Things work good, huh? Okay, look where your next gate is. Set yourself up for it. Okay, stop. Look where your next gate is. It's way over here. So set yourself up so you can get through these rocks or these logs good. Let it do that. Yep, now turn that way and go forward. Nope. Okay, back up some. Turn the other way. Turn the other way. Back up.
It's just it won't.
Yeah, I know, your servo's weak. Okay, now turn this way. There you go. Yep, straight down. That way you don't roll over. There you go. And around the tree. You want to keep your driver's side tires really close to that rock. Yep. Okay, bump it. Back it. Nope, nope. Back. Okay, there you go. Not quite as much. Okay, bump it. Oh, oh. Okay, you're on your wheels. Go forward. There you go. Get yourself turned around. That's right. Nice and slow. Turn that way. Nice and slow. Okay, back up. Turn the other way. Back up. Alright, now come forward. Nice and slow. Oh, oh. You gotta go slow. There you go. It just rolled back down. Okay, look where your next gate is. Okay, look where your next gate is. Way up there on that log. There you go. Okay, turn that way. So your next gate's way over there. Nope, keep going, it'll go. There you go. Okay, stop right there. Yep, go around the corner here and you'll be able to see around there better. And your next gate, Austin, is right here. So you gotta come down through there and down through here, okay? Let your back tire grab that rock and it'll slide you right around. See that? Well, they're pit bulls. They're going to try climbing the rock, but... Okay, turn this way. Nope. Yep. Because your next gate's down here. There you go. Good job. Ooh. Turn this way. There you go. And look where your next gate is. The one is hid behind this rock right here. There you go. Now stay left. That's right. There you go. Good job. Okay, stop right there.